For 20 years, link building was the golden rule of SEO. But in 2026, I'm deleting my backlink strategy. We spent decades dragging our brands up Google's 10 blue links, begging for authority just to win a single click. But our team at NP Digital analyzed ChatGPT. Want to guess where backlinks scored? A measly 1.9 out of 5. The game has changed forever. Google gave your customer a list of options. AI search gives them a single, definitive verdict. And if you aren't recommended in that verdict, your business simply doesn't exist to that customer. But if you are, AI-referred visitors convert 8 times faster because they arrive at your site pre-sold. Look at Perplexity. They are openly labeling sources as credible, trusted, or authoritative based on real credentials. Behind closed doors, ChatGPT and Gemini are running the exact same continuous background checks on your brand's credibility. They pull your entire digital footprint and compress it into a single 4-sentence story before a customer ever contacts you. If your website says one thing, your LinkedIn says another, and your PR is outdated, the machine skips you as a risk. To survive, you need a coherent reputation system 8. One clear, verified story told across all 6 core trust pillars. Go ask an AI to describe your business today 10. If you don't like the verdict, let's build the system to fix it